and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am Rabiana, and today I have this really cute new wig unit sent from Unice Hair. Thank you guys so much for sending over this wig. So they sent over this bye-bye slip wig. This is a very much new wig cap construction. They also sent it in a Yaki straight texture. This is a 7x5 closure in 24 inches, and they sent it in a chestnut ombre. So let's get into this new wig cap construction. So with the bye-bye slip wig, they're pretty much giving you extra silicone for extra security. So they placed it at the crown, which you guys see right here, and then also along the nape. And this is to make sure that your wig is very secure and snug on your head and it's not going to move. And you'll see more of that as I, go through this hair review with you guys. So yeah, now this wig unit also comes with an adjustable strap. However, it's not the really thick one that we're used to, which I actually don't like. But it does come with this upgraded thin strap. So this is supposed to make sure that your lace lays very flat onto your head, you guys. So I like that this one is much more smaller and it's comfortable as well. So, and of course it does come with that elastic drawstring in the back to tighten your wig. So this is perfect for the girls who love glueless wig units and you don't want to use any sprays, adhesives, or anything. So if you're into that, definitely check out these upgraded wig units, you guys, because this one is really good. So I also want to let you guys know that with the upgraded wig cap construction, they made it to where this wig is supposed to lay extremely flat, and it absolutely does. I don't know if you guys have ever come across wig units that kind of fluff up at the crown area, right where your parting space kind of ends, and it's like kind of humpy, or you can feel like space between the wig and your head. So this one here is designed to actually lay extremely flat on your head, so there's no gapping, perfect fit. And just to let you guys know, I do have my hair in a low ball. So yeah, I think that this is actually the best wig cap construction that I have received, because it does lay very flat, and as you guys can see, it's not going nowhere. So let's get into this color. Hopefully you guys are paying attention to the color, because this is like a ombre chestnut brown wig unit, and I feel like it looks best when it's curled, because I feel like it is a little, I wouldn't say like blotchy, but it's kind of blunt. The color is kind of blunt, especially if you see it straightened. So I did go in and put a little curls to the hair as well, so that you guys could see, but I'm just showing you guys the parting space. This one here is as deep as you're going to be able to go with this 7x5 closure, and I don't really recommend that you guys shift it either, because it does have those C-shaped cutouts, so that there's comfort around your ears. So yeah, I did go in and pluck, because I felt like with this wig unit it was a little too full for me and my liking, but I just plucked it a little bit to open it, and I just ended up not doing the baby hair since it didn't come with any. So I just kind of left it as is, you guys, and I'm just doing a curl test to see how the hair will curl and if it will hold a curl. And then I just ended up kind of like trying to curl the entire head pretty much. So I do feel like the color job looks better curled, in my opinion. And I'm also going in and showing you guys a side part as well with this wig, so make sure you guys stay until the end. However, I do think it is a very good wig cap construction, you guys. It's actually one of the best ones out in a long time. I feel like we always need to make sure that our wigs are being updated and upgraded and making sure that it has the perfect fit. So I don't have any complaints when it comes to the wig cap construction, you guys. And that's pretty much all that I have for you. So let me know what you think down below of the parting space, the bleach job, the lace, The fit, does it look really flat to you guys? Let me know, because I actually didn't really have to do much to this wig unit except for really put it on, honestly, you know, fix it up, frame to my face. But that was pretty much it. So let me know what you guys think once again, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.
Just pulled up to the house, don't feel like getting out. I'ma just lay back and crack this window. I've been doing my best, taking a moment to rest, feeling stressed out. Give it a good, I put that on God when it gets hard. I stay on my job like no days off, so you can go home with that mentality. Jump on jealousy, my bad. Get away from me, 'cause I've been working all day. Can a nigga catch a break? Give a pretty brown girl her space. You can keep your bitter, I'ma make a better way. Hey, hey, already got the world on me. Give a pretty brown girl her space. You can keep your bitter, I'ma make a better way. Hey, hey, better way. Oh, hey. Mom and dad's only